The panhard rod's been cut, but everything else seems present except for the drum internals, and I don't think these are the drums for it. I think they came off an earlier model. I think I swapped them round for a special, but no, all the springs seem to be good. They haven't spread, and no broken leads that I can see. It's got the anti-roll bar with the lever arm dampers, and there's been plenty of oil in it. So yeah, it looks this will all come to bits, I would think, quite nicely. Obviously it's much too large to go on a standard pallet, but what could be done is cut the U-bolts, free the springs, then perhaps cut the axle tubes here and here, say, and then that'll allow the half shafts and all that assembly to come out, and we'll have 3 assemblies for the axle which can all sit side by side on the pallet along with this anti-roll bar, and I think that would be pretty satisfactory, but it would be good for rebuilding one with a sloppy axle. I think this thing had about 75,000 miles on it. Oh, there's no, yeah, this is extremely good. I don't feel, there's almost no perceptible play in that diff. Just 2 mil at the periphery of that flange, if that, is lost motion. So yeah, there's no backlash to speak of on between the crown wheel and pinion. So I would pronounce that pretty good. It's a nice piece of engineering. That's where the Humber buyer's money went, I think, with these premium models. Really solid stuff like this that would run a lifetime and more. Might be good for a special too. I think this will be I think it's a 6-inch PCD, not sure. Maybe Land Rover would fit. I don't have Humber wheels, they've all gone. Anyway, there you are, folks. Something to think about.